Beneath the canopy of green, where sunlight dances in between the gentle rustle of the trees, a symphony that sets me free. In nature's arms I find my peace, where worries fade and troubles cease. For in her beauty I am whole, healed by the earth, mind and soul. With every breath of mountain air, I feel a burden lift a care. The rushing river, the whispering wind, they soothe the chaos deep within. In nature's arms I find my peace, where worries fade and troubles cease. For in her beauty I am whole, healed by the earth, mind and soul. Amidst the meadows flowers bloom, a tapestry of colors in full bloom. And in their petals I find grace, a gentle reminder of life's embrace. In nature's arms I find my peace, where worries fade and troubles